Welcome to the AI Shorts PAL training video series. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use image to video section. Go to the left menu and click on image to video. Now you are on image to video section. You can create images to video here. You can create videos from search, import or upload. Just add images. Choose Vox file. You can also upload files from your local. And your result will be generated. Nature is a British weekly scientific journal founded and based in London. You can also view. Nature is a British weekly scientific journal founded and based in London, England. As a multidisciplinary publication, Nature features peer-reviewed research from a variety of academic. Download, delete or share the video. Thanks for watching the video.